August, I don't know, middle of the month. We'll call it the 4th, 15th, I don't know. It's hot. But anyway, here's where I'm working. Out here in the little wood shop. Against the grain. So, been doing some cutting boards, and yeah, they seem to be selling. Got a couple of them sold. 5, not many. But anyway, I enjoyed the learning the craft, and got a piece of black walnut strip in that one, and we got some black walnut, and some curly maple, and some oak. And that one's going to be 14 by 19. It's hot. I'm tired. Worked all day. Welcome to the little blue shed against the grain. This is the reality of a little workshop. Love my old license plates here that I have. Look, 1921, almost as old as me. I used to live in Hawaii, 1976. That's my wife's there. She loves music. Let's see, here's some tractors I bought over the years. And here's when I remodeled the shed. Oh, here you go, she picked me out. That's usually most of my days. Yeah, that's what happens. There it is. The little blue shed against the grain. Oh, there's my paradise up there. You guys want to come see it? Let's go. I just did that the other day. Oh, it was looking rough. I cleaned it all up. These are 2 shower curtains sewn together from my little canopy. Oh, it's my little piece of paradise. Yeah, nothing special. This was from the Bearded Welder. I drove 2 hours. I was down in Philly working, drove all the way up near Schuylkill County to go buy those for my wife for our anniversary one year. She loved them. And there's my view down the driveway. There's my tiny house. I was tiny house poor before tiny house was even popular. And there's a little shed. Yeah.